So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the basic function of the Monet curing laser. You see the two batteries sit on the charging stand, so when we're ready to use it, we slide one of them in. You'll feel it click into place. And the first thing you should notice is how simple the controls are on the laser. There's really only one button and really only one mode. So unlike other curing lights you've owned in the past where you've had multiple modes to choose from at different time settings, this is very well thought out and pre-prescribed for you, so there's really not much to do. In fact, the first time you click the button, you'll see that the green status light comes on. So that tells you that the battery is charged and the unit is ready to operate. The second time we press it, if I'm quiet here, you'll hear three little chirps as the blue light flashes, and you'll see the blue status light continues to flash, and that just tells you that the aiming beam is on. And so here you can see the aiming beam. This allows you to get focused on whatever you want to cure, so on your composite, before you actually fire the laser. If this wasn't there, you would have to activate the laser and then quickly correct to make sure you were in the right space. Sometimes with the glasses on, depending on how bright the lights are in your operatory, it may be a little hard to see the aiming beam. And you can see the aiming beam turns off after about 15 seconds. We're back to the green status light. But you do not need to have your safety glasses on to view the light, so it's okay to look outside of that if you want to. Sometimes I will use a shield. Sometimes I will use a shield, and you can place this on the laser, and this allows you to look around and see the aiming beam and then adjust the laser so that the shield is in between your eyes and where the laser is going to be hitting. But it's perfectly safe to look at the aiming beam itself. Even though it's blue, this will not cause any damage to your eyes. And then once you're back in that mode where you've got the blue light flashing, those three chirps, and then the light continues to flash while the aiming beam is active. And then when you're ready to cure, you just simply place it against the tooth and press it one more time. And you'll hear the beep sound the entire time that the laser is firing. And again, it's a 3-second cure. And it's always a 3-second cure because, as you probably heard me say before, it actually cures the composite within 1 second, but the 3 seconds allows for a deeper cure. So just in case you have a positioning issue with the laser, it allows you to adjust. And so once the 3 seconds is over, the laser automatically turns off. If you wanted to hit it from another angle, you could move it again and hit it from another angle. But we're going to show some demonstrations in another video of how the 3-second cure is enough for 6, 7, sometimes 8 millimeters of composite material based on the shade of the material itself. The higher the value of the composite, the deeper you can cure. Your lower value composites like a C2 or a C4, you are going to probably have to place some increments, but again, we're looking at 4 to 5 millimeter increments, and we'll take a look at those as well. So the key points here is just a simple one-button operation, not having to choose between modes or between length of time. It's simply pressing it once to turn the unit on, hit it again to get your aiming beam, and then hit it a third time for the 3-second cure with the laser itself.